Want to know how to add members to your Trello board? You would want to add members to your Trello board to share tasks, delegate responsibilities, and work together on projects. Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from Online Help Guide, and today I'll walk you through the process of how to add members to your Trello board. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. Firstly, open the Trello app on your screen. Now open the board you wish to add members. Then tap on the three-dot icon in the top right corner of your screen. Now tap on the invite option. Here tap on the search bar at the top of your screen. Furthermore, enter the email address or username of the person you want to invite. Tap on the person's username. Now select their role either as a member or as an observer. After selecting the member, tap on the Invite on the Board option. Finally, once they accept the request, they will become the part of the board. So that's how you can add member to your Trello board. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or suggestions. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.